From the title, you guys can see that this is going to be another headband wig review. But in today's review, I'll be showing you guys how quick and easy you can achieve this side swoop. So if you want to see that, ensure that you stick around and continue watching this video. So your company that we'll be working with today is Aiterina here. They sent me over a headband wig, and this is what inside of the package looks like. The first thing I see is the hair. I'm just going to put that down. I will come back to that in a few. And then I see their information card, and they have their social media on it as well. This cute headband. I actually love this color. This pattern is very gorgeous. It also comes with this weaving cap and these two scrunchies. So as you guys can see from the bag, we are working with a 16-inch today. Get into these curls. Like, this body wave is gorgeous. Like, you don't even have to curl this if you don't want to curl it. You can just wear this straight out the bag. But let's see what's inside the cap construction looks like. So this is what inside the cap looks like. It comes with 3 combs at the top, 1 at the bottom, and that's pretty much the insole of the cap. So let's install this. I already have numerous detailed headband wigs out, so if you guys want to check that out, I'll make sure to leave a link right here. So because today I'll be doing a side swoop, this is the reason why I'll just do this side, because this is the side that the swoop will be on. So let's just install this wig. So this is what the hair looks like after it is installed. My edges are going with that little thing. No edges on this side because this is how we're going to do the swoop on. So let's get started. So we're just going to part out the section that I want to do the swoop on. And then I'm also going to just part out another section that I'm going to, and this is the section that I'm basically just going to pull back like this to tie off the swoop. And then I'm just going to take the rest of the hair and put it up in a little ponytail and clip that out of the way. Now for the rest, you can basically just watch the rest and see how I do my swoop. So today I'm not going to be using the headband that came with the package, which is this gorgeous headband, because it's too flimsy to go with the style that I want. Instead, this is the headband that I'll be using because it is way bigger. This headband is the headband that was from my previous video, so if you guys haven't watched that, I'll leave it right here for you guys to go ahead and check that out. So after I finish the swoop and put on the headband, what I'm going to do is basically just to detangle the hair. Okay, so I'm not going to lie, at this hair it sheds, and also as you guys can see, the curl pattern, like the curl pattern that it actually came with is gone. But not really gone, but so this is what the hair is looking like after and finished installing. So if you guys did enjoy this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and of course subscribe. Until then, it's your girl Ollie, on with yourself.